All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video first of all. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. Please give this a thumbs up and leave some comments. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this sunsetty vibey eye look. This look was actually a fail because my right eye decided that it wanted to be Niagara Falls today, and so it kind of just messed up the whole eye look. Also, I did lose a lot of footage from this day, so I'm not even going to do a voiceover for the whole video. I'm just going to let this video play out, and I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Would you hurry your mind, long as you know who you belong to?
From 8 until late, I think about you. On my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry your mind, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry your mind, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. On my mind, I pass my bedtime, no rest of the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married. We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry your mind, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry your mind, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. From 8 until late, I think about you. Yeah, on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too